Kansas, really great 70s tune. I'm going to break it down to an acoustic feel. Just a beautiful song to play on acoustic. I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible, but there's one thing that you have to grok before we start, and that's the picking pattern. So I give a lot of courses on, Travis picking and stuff at jimmydillon.com. So if you're curious about the various ways to do alternate thumb and all that, I cover that, in detail at my site. But for now, I'm just going to give you what I've shown this before. But in this case, we're in the key of C. So you pinch the A string and the B string. And so the picking pattern, you pick it with your third finger, your second finger, and your thumb. So it's a pinch with the A and the B string, and then you pick up the G string with your first finger. So, and down with the thumb on the D string, and then up again with the first finger on the G, and the third finger on the. So that last part is you pinch the A and the B string, pick up the G with the first finger, down with the thumb on the D, again the G with the first finger, and then the third finger picks up, second finger, picks up the B string. So in slow motion it would be. Okay, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that because, as I said, I already covered a couple of my courses. So I'm just going to give you the moves on how to do this song, and then hopefully if you can feel that picking pattern, it's going to work for you because it does it throughout the whole song. So the intro goes like this. There might be an edit. So yeah, the intro should really be at the beginning of the lesson, don't you think? So once again, it's a C, same picking pattern. And then open that B up. Makes it a C major 7th, and then 3rd fret with your pinky on the B, back to a C. And then you do an A minor with the open B string, and then 3rd fret with a pinky, and then an A minor. Okay? So here's we go. I'm going to do a couple of voicings that I like to do that may be not exactly what they do, because there's several guitars in there. Was that Steve Morse, I think? Or was he in Kansas? Yeah, I think so. No, he's in the Dixie Jacks. But anyway, I'm going to play through it first. There's just the verse feel, and then we'll do the chorus, and then we'll do the bridge, okay? So here's how it goes. I'm going to play it up to speed, and then let's slow it down and tear it apart for you. That's the verse changes, okay? And I'm going to call out the chords to you now. So it's C, and then this is essentially a G chord, but rather than hitting a G chord, yeah, that's okay. What I like to do is I like to really focus on that A string going down a half a step, and then do the 3rd fret on the B string with your pinky. I like the sound of that. Oh yeah, I like that sound. So that is, in a sense, the G chord, but we're playing just we're leading with the B note of the A string, which is the 2nd fret. And again, it's a pinch, so that's the move. And then to an A minor, and pick up the high E, because that's where the vocal goes. So I think it's really cool as an acoustic, especially for solo, to pick up the. That's the first half of the verse. And then we go up to a G chord, an honest to God G, and pick up that high G note, 3rd fret, straight up G chord. And it's still that same picking pattern. And then a D minor, the A minor, and include that high E. So you're going from pinching the B and the A string, sorry, into the voicing. You're getting that, picking that, and then a G, D minor, A minor. So I'm pinching them all right now, but we can do it with the picking pattern. Slowly, once again, it sounds like. And go to your G, D minor, to A minor. And you're going to walk it up. It's just the reverse of. It's an A minor pinching the A and the B string. And then we go up to the second fret on the A string and the third fret on the B string. I'm using my pinky. You can use your third if you want. But I like using the pinky on the B string because then it's easier to go to that C, you know, so it's like Blackbird. Walk up. To the G, D minor, A minor. Okay, now we're ready for the chorus. It's a D with an F sharp in the bass. You can do it any which way you want. I'm doing it like this with my second finger hitting that F sharp note. You can also do it if you want to get your thumb over. I think in this case it's hipper to do this. Just you don't even worry about that high E string. You just pinch the G and the B and the low E, and then so it's that's the way I do it. I go like, and so I'm keeping that pinky right where it's at. Come up to a G, and then A minor, and then pick up the low G note. That's the change. A minor, and then pinky, third fret, low E, and then repeat. The D with the F sharp. It's just G and the way. And then what I do here is. Yeah, so that happens at the end actually. So let's once again the chorus. Pick up that G note. Okay, and then you walk up. Same walk up. Back to the verse. You can hear the melody, right? That's what's cool about it. Okay, so let me just go over all of what I just showed you in slow motion and then up to time, and it'll all make sense to you, I promise. So start out with what I just showed you in slow motion would be the walk up. You hear that melody's included. High G, D minor, to the A minor. Same pattern. The D with the F sharp, to a G, the G, that low third fret, low E, and then the D minor, the D with the F sharp. All we are is dust, G. Remember, that stays there. the G. D minor. And then it goes to the bridge. It's a G over A. But it's an F shape, right? So you're up here, like it. And then don't worry about the high E, just let that low A string ring. I think it's the string section, and then move it back a full step. Okay, so the bridge, I think it does that twice around. It's a little violin thing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the intro, the verse, the chorus, and I'm going to take it to the bridge. And you'll have the whole song. Ready? Here we go. Intro. Walk up. Walk up. I'm playing a little bit slower than it is, but it's okay. Walk it down to the A minor, to a G, D minor, A minor. Chorus, D over F sharp, G, don't forget the G. So D over F sharp, and then keep that pinky right where it's at. And then it goes to the bridge. I wouldn't even bother. Don't even worry about that high E string there. Just work off the open A, and then okay. Picking pattern. I think the strings come in. Just repeats that over and over. And you're back in the verse. We have gone dust in the wind by Kansas. Now I'm going to play it a little more as if I was doing a solo guitar piece. See what I get to. So that's the JD version of Dust in the Wind. I hope you got something out of that. I know there's a lot of versions online. Some of them are probably more note perfect than mine, but I hope you had some I hope you can have some fun with the song because I just love playing that song. It's a great jam. Sitting around with friends, sitting around a campfire, everybody loves it. So we'll see you down the road.